Meghalaya Chief Secretary Donald P. Wahlang today informed that the report of the two-member committee has already been submitted to the ministry. The state government, however, has no idea about the content of the report since it was not shared with the former. The state government recently had a meeting with senior officials of the Education Ministry. Wahlang further said that the report is being scrutinized in the ministry level. They will decide what's needed to be shared with the state government, and thereafter the state government will take a call.
Privy to the report till now, and we don't know what is the content of the report, but it has been submitted to the ministry. I had a meeting with the Secretary of Higher Education. I had a meeting with the Additional Secretary who's in charge of the central universities also. We have had a long, fruitful discussion. The report is being scrutinized at the ministry level. They will sift out what needs to be shared with us, and thereafter then we'll take it forward from there.